Hello. Today we are going to discuss how to create a shift for the company users. So in many companies, driver used to work based on the shift, and that is the reason we have integrated shift into the company. So based on adding the shift, the driver work hour calculation can be calculated into the software as well. So let's check the configuration. As this configuration is available into setting, in general, into company account. So into the company account, this option is available in shift tab. So to create a new shift, you need to click on add new button. So based on that, you will get an option to configure the shift. So shift names are useful for the identification of the shift to the software. So let's define the shift name. So based on that shift name, you can give the validity of the shift. So validity from date and validity to date can be selected. That is, the shift can be created based on a monthly basis, weekly basis, or a quarterly basis as well. So like this, the validity can be defined as well. And based on that, working days can be defined. That is, on which days this shift will be useful. So that days can be selected as well by working days. After that configuration, the shift start time and end time can be defined as well. So let's take an example. We have selected the start time as a 10 a.m. and end time as a 6 p.m. So by default, the daily working hours will be automatically generated away. So likewise, if there is any shift buffer time need to be calculated, that can be done as well. So shift buffer time is useful in case if the shift defined time for the start time is available and before time and after the time specified time, this shift calculations can be done into software. So let's take an example for clear vision. As we have selected the start buffer time as 30 minutes. So if the driver will on the ignition on the vehicle between 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m., then it will consider as a working hour, or else it will consider non-working hour. And as we mentioned that start buffer time can be used after the time as well. So that is from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. the time buffer time can be considered as well. So if the driver will on the ignition of the vehicle between 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., that will consider as a working hour for the driver. So later on, after the buffer hours, if the vehicle is been on by the driver, that will be considered as a non-working hour. So by saving this shift record and saving this company, the shifts are created into software. Let's check for some examples that the multiple shifts are created for this company. And based on the shift creation, you can allocate it to the driver. So let's check that option, that is on the setting into the general and into the driver. You will get an option to add the driver or you can modify the driver by allocating the shift. So this is the shift option from the drop down. You can allocate the shift to the driver. So based on the driver shift allocation, you need to get the driver calculation informations as well from the system. So this option is available into the report. So this is option is into the report. There is in the driver behavior, there is the driver work hour report. So on this report, you will get a summary information for which driver was driving how many kilometers for how many time and whether there was the working hours distance and running time as well. And also the non-working hours and the distance can be defined as well. So likewise, the detailed information will give the detail about the shift that was allocated to this driver. Also, the shift date, start time, and end time can be defined as well. Which vehicle was the driven by this driver? That information is available as well. Total distance and running time can be defined based on the detailed information, and working hours with the distance and our non-working hours with the distance can be defined as well on this report. So based on that, you can get the informations like how much non-working hours was been driven by this driver. So accordingly, you can get the analytics of the driver work hour information. So this is how the shift can be created into software, and likewise, the driver's working hours can be calculated as well. Thank you.